When you want to permanently join the contents of two tables together, you can use an append query to make quick work of the task. No obstacles recently added to the available colors in their line of bath towels, and we received a table here, new products, from the manufacturer detailing the new specifications. We can see the bath towels here and the new color options that are available. Rather than manually typing all of this into our existing products table, we can create an append query to do the work for us. I'm going to close the new products table and start a new query in Design View. On the Create tab, press Query Design. Let's add the new products table to our query. And I'll close the Show Table window. And now we're going to add the fields from the table down into our query grid. I'm going to grab all of the fields except for the product ID, the primary key. So I'll add Product, Department, Category, Size. Scrolling down, we'll grab Color, Price, Description, and finally the rating. Since our products table is set to create an auto number ID, each of these new products will automatically be assigned a new ID when they get appended to the full product listing in order to ensure that there are no conflicts. Now, let's go ahead and change this query to an append query here on the ribbon. Access will ask us which table we want to append these records to. I can use the drop-down list to choose our products table here. We also have the option to append to another table in a different database. We'll go ahead and say OK. And Access adds this Append To row down here. These are the fields from the existing products table that we're going to append to. Now, because the field names in both tables are the same, Access has already correctly matched them all up. If your fields have different names among the two tables, then you may need to manually tell Access which data goes into which field. Once we've verified that all of the data will go into the right location, I'll press the Run button on the ribbon. Access tells us that we're about to append 21 rows. Once you click Yes, you can't undo it. Go ahead and press Yes to append those records. Now I can close this query. I don't need to save it because they're already added, and I don't want to add a duplicate copy. Go ahead and say no, we don't want to save those changes. Now we can take a look at our products table here, and we'll see that we have a total of 321 products now instead of the 300 we had previously. And if I scroll to the very bottom, you'll see the new bath towels and the new color options added to the bottom. Anytime you need to add lots of records to your database, and they're coming from a pre-tabulated source, such as an Excel file or another spreadsheet, take a look at using an append query before you try manually retyping everything to get it into your database. Whether you have 10 records or 10,000 records, you'll be finished with the task in no time.